Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Fred Games. I'm here with my crew today on CSGO, and we're gonna play some games for you. This is episode 1 of competitive for us. Hope you guys like. Anson, and join us. What the heck? I am stuck. Oh, what is going on? What the heck? Sorry about that. I have to launch it again. And I might have to be taking breaks. So my phone.
Honestly, don't know how close you came to not joining us like 4 times in a row.
My PC froze.
Good job, dude. Good job. Dude, my friend, his name, he calls himself... No. Yo, is he really giving me... Hold up. Wait, Steam profile. Is he really giving me that? His Steam community is currently unavailable? That's just the fuck don't really like.
Anson plays. Anybody know what he's doing?
Steam profile.
I'm gonna be getting a good gun soon.
What?
Good stat track op.
Where's this P90 dude? I wanna see it. Yo, he has the Hyper Beast. Alright, what's the gun he's gonna give me? I'm trying to find it. It's factory in him.
Wait, what is he giving you?
Well, no, it's not factory new, it's field tested, but that's not bad. It's for a free skin, it's decent. It's the P90 Elite build, field tested. He's got some nice guns though, honestly.
Dude, I'm doing it. Accept it. Accept it, man. Accept it.
Your game invite?
Accept it. No, LehFlare, accept it. Accept what I just said.
Yeah,
Do it.
I said anyone can watch my games.
What?
Oh, and he's gonna give me the Scar 20 Grotto.
Yeah.
Except what?
Dude. I'm watching this right now. I'm watching this whole thing go down.
Why am I broadcasting? Can someone explain this?
I'm recording, I'm not broadcasting.
Dude, why am I broadcasting? Can someone explain why?
You're
What'd you just
broadcasting
have
to
me
me.
do? What am I doing right now? Someone explain this. Why is he just automatically broadcasting? How do I cut it off, dude? I don't want this.
What are you broadcasting?
Apparently CSGO, dude.
How?
Thor, I'm about to kick you, dude. What'd you do? What did I just accept? Tell me now. I have my button over the kick. Tell me now.
Dude, I asked if I could watch your game. And you said yes. So I was watching us talk.
Well, this is just weird. I better get some subs off of this, dude. Get some more people in here, Jesus.
I invited.
But hit 70 subs. I'm 2 away.
I invited Anson.
That guy?
He's just
He's already in a lobby.
by himself.
Spam him.
I invited the wrong person.
Some message. I was like, join, motherfucker. Dude, I am so screwed. I'm out of Gamma and I have no Mountain Dew or anything. I'm screwed, dude.
I invited Trusty Rusty.
I'll tell you about inviting that guy, dude. He smells weird.
Oh.
Dude, Rusty's not even online.
What's that? Exactly. Yo, it won't let me add this guy.
LehFlare, what are you doing? I'm already in your game, Darkeyes.
I invited both of you guys.
Oh my god, dude, this jerky is so much better than eating pussy.
Yeah, we know you love me.
Yeah, just say that when I'm recording.
We know you love that one. You know, I need a name for my app. I found it.
Anson needs to join. Anybody else on? Gosh dang it, Darkeyes, stop inviting me.
I only invited you once.
I'm gonna invite you. Oh, yay. Hopefully it's Dutch too.
I'm accepting.
Oh wait, explain to it. Oh, hallelujah. Click accept.
How many people have accepted?
Twist them one.
Dude, he's saying
If I don't accept you, I'm gonna have a... Dude, the one gun he's giving me is already worth 17 cents.
Who?
I'm only giving him a 6-cent gun. Okay. Let's look at the next one.
The guy who's giving him a gun?
No.
Scar 20, not sure what it is. It's a grotto.
Oh, I had that.
Yo, I played a couple games earlier.
Who was I gonna give my deadly poison to?
Okay.
I promised somebody they could have it. I don't know who it was.
It was me.
No, because you got off.
Alright guys, I guess he's really dumb. You know why?
Why?
He said since none of my weapons are tradable yet, he decided he's just gonna take 3 cases, which you'll only get 2 cents out of, for like 40 cents worth of weapons.
Huh.
Dude, cases can be big bucks. Can I block this guy?
What you say, nigga?
Can I kick this one guy? Dude, this is where I need to be able to put
Oh my
pictures in
goodness.
chat.
Shut up, LehFlare.
Jew. You're a Jew.
The official game service with exception of ping. Yo, half the people on my friends list are all still like 6, 7. Yo, I think it's the.
Thor, we remember your ping last night.
That
I
was
think
hilarious.
it's the
I'm sorry, Thor, but I have to do this.
Okay. What? Why?
Oh, that's so great. Why did your picture just change?
What?
Dude, I swear I feel like your picture just changed.
Who's Thor?
Or am I just driven? Am I just driven? Driven.
This is gonna be the longest video ever.
Yeah, I'm ready to record. Can you hit Santa? Okay.
Give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna add cache and train.
Just add them all.
Maybe now Thor's connection. Oh my god, yo, my knee. Dude, I'm thinking about doing a setup tutorial. Hey, by the way, do y'all have any skins y'all can donate for videos? Like any small skins y'all don't really like?
Well, I want to trade my deadly poison for something, so no.
But I can give you some industrials on the
I'm
first.
giving
Can you give me anything for free? Because if you want anything in return, I'm gonna have to give it to you on the first.
I have nothing.
Dude, I can't give anything out. I can't do anything until the 5th.
Oh, I really got trade ban? That sucks, dude.
No, I got everything yesterday.
I want to hit 70 subs so really quick. Dude, some kid, he's not subbotting, but he's probably one of the fastest growing small YouTubers I've ever seen.
Who?
A week and a half ago, he was celebrating 100 subs, and then the next day he was celebrating 200. The next day he was celebrating 500. Then after that he was celebrating 1,000. Now he's about to. Then 2 days later he celebrated 2.5k, and now he's about to celebrate 3.5k.
Well, I don't even have one.
I don't even have an ace stub.
Same.
Ooh, you suck.
I finally got my OBS to work.
Dude, I'm saving all the money I get from donations and YouTube. I'm just gonna save it up. And then whenever I get out of, like, high school or something, dude, buy an apartment, get a bunch of sick stuff. Probably get friends to help pay rent.
Dude, I'm gonna be out of college next year. I'm trying to get in with bowling. I get in with bowling, I'm set for life.
I got $40.
Oh, hit accept. Guys, please, hurry up, please, do it for the nipples.
Yo,
Don't you just want the nipples? Yo, whoever this one guy is, I'm going to find where he lives and I'm gonna poop on his forehead if he doesn't accept right now. Dude, I swear to God, Thor, if it's you, I'm gonna slap you in the mouth. Frag, if it's you, I'm gonna slap you in the mouth with my penis.
It's not me.
So I'm gonna hit accept. Yes!
Let's roll.
Oh, it was you.
LehFlare, let me get that, man. I want it.
Nah, it's LehFlare.
Yeah, it's really. Don't. Oh, high pay. What? What? A Hattie doesn't kill people? Yo, who here accepts Hattie?
Give me ammo, somebody.
Dude, they used to send you out, man. Damn.
I'm stuck. Why am I spectating? Why am I spectating?
God.
Disconnect and come back, Frag. Dude, I swear to God, I just saw a dog on this game. I don't know.
Let's roll.
Why the hell are you shooting?
That cat.
I'm in.
Ooh. I. Yeah.
Good luck, cat.
Good luck, have fun. Wait, what?
Hello, guys.
What?
Watch out, fries.
Good luck, have fun.
Good luck, have fun.
Check out LehFlare.
Oh, good luck.
I can't talk. Okay,
Alright, I'll take, cat.
I'll go B.
Why can't you talk, Frag? Wait, Frag, you're talking when you talk.
I know, it wouldn't let me talk.
Yeah, you're talking, like, right now.
It wouldn't let me talk. Now I can, I know that.
Okay,
I'm
I
getting
hope
close
we
to 70, and then after that it's 100. And one gets better.
I
Hey,
need
first you
one.
have to get one.
Shut up, Darkeyes.
I
There,
don't have one
BD.
yet. Yeah, I know.
You don't even have a YouTube channel, do you?
Yeah.
You be my first, I'll be your first.
Yeah, that sounds ridiculous.
I know.
Dude,
Yo, he's
I
back
shot you in the
times.
face because of you.
Yeah!
I shot you in the back of the head.
Nice.
And then they're already
Guys,
kicking
watch-
in player. Wow, Trusty Rusty just got on.
So amazing, dude.
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Frags.
Why are
Don't
they
walk in
trying to
front
kick
of someone shooting
Begwise,
a
dude? He's so
deagle.
good.
Huh? What? What happened?
I'm gonna go cat.
My friends.
I don't know where I'm going.
Decoy.
For the nips. Nice.
This is my
Hopefully
first
now
match
it's
tonight. Not good.
It's not cat.
They're all B again.
They are? I don't see none.
Yep.
Nah. I do a D.
Just found their whole team at B.
Hey, they kinda went. Cameron in the spawn. Nice. It's gonna be a good round, man. Mid game.
I mean, game,
I'm
not
ready to
round.
get ranked up. I was getting D ranked so easy and I just can't get promoted anymore.
I can't get promoted at all.
Look at my
Doing the same thing again.
What are we doing?
Yep, do the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Unless this
Oh
is
my gosh, Darkeyes,
insanity.
come on.
And we keep doing the same thing, expecting a different
I'm
approach.
streaming and I don't even have that big of a ping. Or, not streaming,
Wait,
recording.
you're streaming?
Throwing flashbang.
Dude, I'm recording.
Deploying flashbang.
Well, it didn't work that time.
Dude,
They
are you
A-long.
kidding me? Lit for 28? I sprayed that guy. There's a guy on cat. No, guy in, yours. Come on, Thor. Thor. Thor for the win. Oh, dude, he's lit
lagging.
in spawn.
He's lagging.
Nah, I got
Thor, I knew it was your ping. I knew it was your connection that couldn't find us alive. So
He's lit for 49. Thor, he's that dude.
Laying down terrorists.
What are you doing?
you still attempted to throw it?
I didn't see
Oh, well, dude. So I'm gonna have to say, dude, good shot, dude. That almost made it.
I
Oh my
tried.
god, they actually kicked the bad glass. No way.
They're kicking almost their whole team.
Dude,
No one went A long.
they're kicking the good player. They just
It's A. It's
kicked
A.
him.
It's A.
And nobody went
It's
long. So.
It's A.
You haven't seen Bomb yet, how do you know? No, I'm just kidding, I'm coming.
Shut up, Green.
I watched him
And they're
go
spawning,
off.
guys. I'm gonna get on the... This guy...
Come on, you can do it, Green.
Guys, I'm long.
Oh, why'd you always say I'm farther back than what I am?
And then... That was a mighty good play, sir.
Fall 5 times. Yo. 1-6. 1-6. 1-7. 1-6.
Your mic is lagging or something.
Talk about a laggy voice.
It's going down.
Wait, what's going down?
Let's
Wait.
go, people.
I should
I'm
not be
sorry,
able to
I'm
see my
sorry.
curse. I can't move.
Yes. Something's always going down my throat.
I'm stuck.
It's called A.
I'm stuck.
It's B.
I'm stuck.
I'm already in the
Okay.
spawn.
Help.
Guys, rotate.
Dude, this is terrible. I am stuck.
They have an op in B. You got this.
I was stuck.
What? Did that? Oh! Beautiful shot, man. Beautiful.
Anybody want this op?
Yes.
Alright.
The high ping guy does. Over here. Where is it?
It's on the floor. Gonna do the same thing I did. I'm gonna
Oh,
rush
just-
it up to long and watch.
We're wasting time. Let's go.
I'm going to B.
Smoke.
I mean A. Yo,
There's a player on long. There might be more. Gonna rush it.
There's a
I
guy
feel like
B.
it's
He's sitting up on the window Looking out at mid.
It's B, that player was a decoy.
There's 2 guys B, one's
B.
double doors.
Going double door.
The one guy's sitting at the window.
Bomb has been planted.
Blue, let me take it, let me take it.
Help me, I'm stuck.
Then I've got- Push it, push it, push it, watch your left, watch your left. You gotta be kidding me, dude. I shot him. No!
Dude, rotate. What are you doing?
Thor! Thor.
He's 260 pay.
Guys, is it kick time? I'm so sorry, Thor. Blue stop, blue. Frag, how are you stuck? Duck.
Like
Yeah,
if you
Frag's
want my
having
office laying
troubles.
mid.
I don't know what's going on. He can't move. Frag, the game's gonna kick you if you can't move.
I took over the bot.
I'm going. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Why? 100 per 100?
Let's roll.
Oh my goodness, sorry guys. This is probably the most funniest video for you guys. I know it is for me, 'cause I'm stuck. My first match tonight. My first time recording for YouTube on this OBS system I got now. So, yeah. Kinda sucks. Hopefully I'm not...
Bomb has been defused. Count
No, hit G now.
Grab the op, dude. Grab the op.
Oh my goodness, I'm still
Too
stuck.
late, too late.
I'm back!
So,
I'm back.
I didn't get any money that round.
So, are you guys alive now? Hey, I'm gonna rush it.
What the
No.
heck?
Let's move out.
Every time I say that.
Well, then keep saying it, because it's definitely not insanity. Because you're doing the same thing and it keeps changing. Hey, we had a bot mid.
Incendiary.
I don't know why, but my cursor just popped up. I
Hey,
had no
hey,
weapon.
there's
I
more,
couldn't
there's more,
play.
there's more. They just fragged me. Go mid, go mid. I'll take T-spawn.
They're A. They're A, they're A, they're A, they're A, they're
I
A.
noticed. I have 9 health. I'm probably the most likely to die.
Help, help, help!
Hey, just keep distracting them. I'm coming around long.
Bomb has been throwing smoke.
Help! I said help! Help!
I'm defusing the bomb.
Hey, and Mr. Frey, please don't keep spamming my Skype.
Guys! Yellow, dude, what are you doing? Shoot him. He's right there.
Oh, good idea. I didn't know that
Hello.
shooting them would kill them and win the game.
Yeah, I was defusing. I had 2 seconds left. All you had to do was shoot at him.
I hit him for 87. I got a
Frag,
hit marker
dude,
with
no
the op.
chance.
It's not my fault.
I was talking about you should have shot at him while he was right there.
Defuse,
Frag,
defuse.
why are you still
got
going for this?
He had it, dude. He definitely had.
Frag, dude, you would have had it, dude. No lie.
Yo, can you buy me? Can you give me a full buy right now, man?
Can we partner? Like, what?
Can we become one?
Let's go, let's
Who
go.
wants to rush along? Come on, Yeller. We got this.
Flashbang.
Not me with my.
They definitely. Hey, we have people on long.
Bombs down.
Throwing flashbang.
Oh, that was a decoy. Yeah, bombs down.
Throwing flashbang.
Just kidding.
You gotta be kidding
I
me,
just
dude.
got
Lift at
knifed by a
22? I
bot.
shot him way more than once.
I.
Indents, dude. Just watch out. Dude, he's right there. He's not back there in spawn.
Yo,
Why are
it's
you
me.
trying to shoot your teammate?
It's me.
Oh my god, Darkeyes, you're laughing.
Guys, he's in spawn. What are y'all doing?
my God.
Why are y'all trying to watch somewhere else? He definitely just grabbed the bomb. Nope, he's right there. Holy, thank God for Thor. Go
God,
on.
my left.
Forget the king of lightning. You're the king of Asimos, huh?
Who wants this up? There is.
Ain't nobody want that. It has ass in his name.
Grab your gear, let's go.
I wanted that.
Person lagging.
Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
You come.
They flashed us on long.
Still.
It's a decoy, Yellow. Don't worry about it. I'm going this
Okay.
side. I get the feeling they're cat.
My goodness.
Come back to sight, Yellow.
My leg!
There's
They
one
want B.
underneath
They
cat.
rotated.
One mid.
Maybe.
They rotated. It's
Turn
behind
on
you.
bot.
Oh, nice shot, Blue. Yo, can you guys kick lately? He sucks. He keeps lagging.
Good shot, I'm going the door.
Not getting the kills that I should be.
I have a
Diffuse.
defuse kit. Let me get it. I have a defuse kit. Wait, you have one too. Never mind.
He has it, man. No, he doesn't. He just has the time.
Been defused. Counter-terrorist.
Time. All we need is time. Time for this and time for that. Don't.
We're wrecking, guys. If we win this,
my
we will
foot.
subscribe.
I heard we subscribed.
Move it, move it.
Yeah, I know. I know, frag.
I will make
I need to
multiple accounts and
subscribe.
subscribe. To my own
The
channel.
number one.
Wouldn't that be overpowered?
Throwing flashbang.
And
Be
all my
overpowered if
and
you-
to all my
Hey,
clans channels.
What?
You gotta be kidding me. No way that they just turned. Alright, he
Alright,
was
guys, it's gonna be a
walking
long
like
video
super
over.
slow, and then he just turns and no scopes me.
It might be a
So-
half by
I'm
that.
stuck in
Can
the wall.
somebody
Yo, shoot that guy! Half. Spin by.
Dang it! He's indoor. Watch out.
No! No! Hell yeah!
Boo! Get the butt! Alright, well now that you know where bomb is, just camp it.
Alright. Don't sit there, you're gonna die. Don't sit there. You're gonna die.
Terrorist.
Oh, you got him! Yo, can you pick up that, scout behind you for me, please? Ready?
Opting for my first match of the game.
Same.
Go, go, go! Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
Good shot.
Incendiary out.
There's one guy on long. Bombs. Good shot, bro.
Yo, inside doors. Inside long. Inside the long doors.
Yellow, he's to our left.
Oh, they caught that one. Yo, check inside the door now. Those doors in front of you. Yo, why do we have 3 ops?
Because we're cool like that. And we're rich CSGO players. The second.
I'm gonna rush it with an op.
Rush it!
No one's here.
Can you pick up my D? I mean my statue. So I don't have to pass. Yeah, AK, I'll take that. Thanks. It's up.
Yaga. Yaga, yaga, yaga.
I'm ready. Anything, I've got a lot of money.
Yo.
Let's go.
I do what?
You
Yeah,
guys
do
want to put your money where your guns are?
Yeah.
No.
There's a guy in mid.
Cat, watch out.
There's a guy pushing mid orange.
He killed me when I was behind the wall.
That's Thor. No one really liked him when he died, and we all cheered, but...
Hey, man, don't even let us knife fight. Oh.
I cheered you on to everything, and you just die.
Bomb has been planted.
Must be A.
Deploying flashbang.
He's on site. Get right. I'll take the fuse. Please let me get the fuse. I haven't got one this game. Come on, please. Please.
No, don't.
Defusing.
Yo, kill green. He's getting annoying.
Yeah.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
MVP. Got that guy straight through the wall. That was awesome.
Everybody need anything?
I'm good, dude. I got plenty of money to buy stuff.
We're wasting time. Let's go.
Hey, Grain.
There's one in,
Stay.
mid.
Grenade out.
Come on, blue. Wait, blue's dead.
Dead! Run.
Why'd you hit me?
I'm not sure where bomb is at the second. But I get a feeling it's me.
I have a feeling I have 311 ping.
Yep, it was B.
Fuck.
What's the matter now?
He's mid.
When
I have no idea where he went. He probably went upper time. Just keep waiting, just keep waiting, just keep waiting. Either that or he went CT to A.
Yeah. He's not. Wow.
Are you kidding me? Really? One bullet? Once again, Brad. Dude, why not pistol him, Thor? You can't shoot an op while moving. It's always gonna be inaccurate.
Tell me where the boy always behind this head.
I'm gonna be overpowered and I'm gonna use a star 20. Probably gonna get blocked. Blocked.
Oh my
this is the
God.
last one.
Let's get this done.
Yes, you are. I'm taking this call from you right now. You ready?
Throwing smoke.
You hadn't. In your dick.
Hey.
Throwing a
I
grenade.
see nobody.
Oh no! There's a guy cat. And then you're so lucky, dude.
2 in there, one's right behind the boxes.
Like a boss.
Frag, what are you doing? There's a guy underneath Cat. Just on the frag.
Counter-terrorists win.
Fred probably got those again.
Yeah.
Fuck, it's frag games. I didn't mean it. Truce.
Are you guys playing green?
Yeah. That was me trying my hardest.
I'm not trying at all.
Thanks, dude. Gonna go some.
Alright, let's all rush B.
I just
No, rush
lightning.
cat, dude. Rush cat. There's really no way they can defense it if you just rush cat with all pistols. All they have
Yeah,
pistols,
go,
dude.
bro.
There's only gonna be like 2 people against 5, so it doesn't matter.
I was
You can get wrecked
mad.
anyway.
And I have. And I bought all. Yo, I didn't see any cars. You guys?
Sorry about that. I'm playing this round, like, competitively, so.
Dude, what is with this kid? He always gets 1 hit. And it's that I didn't even hit him, but blood went everywhere.
Hunter hacker.
Wall lagging super bad. Thor just picked up 2 people. Why are you shooting at your teammate exactly, Yellow?
I don't know, I was
No, I picked up 2 people in the 118. You
Nice.
die by.
Plant it.
Plant, dude.
And eat.
Plant it right there. You go.
Wow.
You got it. Hey, he got it. That's all that matters. He got it. Awesome.
He got
Thanks
that
for the
plant money.
Thanks for the money.
He
I
got
seriously
that
died to a
plant
bot.
money.
No, they took it over.
Yeah.
They,
Bullshit.
He got that plant.
Green, you starting to tick me off.
That's his
Alright,
job.
let's
That
go
make you
B.
mad if I did
Everybody go
this?
B.
Shut up.
All
I mean,
B.
is that worse? What's worse? Where are we going? Let's go B.
I'm streaming here. I don't want the
You
people to know that.
You singing.
I'm not streaming. I'm recording. Ah.
My subscribers know how I am, dude. I don't care.
I'm recording too, man. But
Dude, this
No one
one hit
watches
stuff
him.
is getting on my nerves.
Gosh, I hate
Hit one
Hunter.
time and I'm dead.
He knives me every time.
He was internal. Nice.
Look tons.
He's in tons.
I am. I don't have bomb. Do they know?
Oh my goodness.
What?
That was a
You missed
headshot.
them both times, dude. Gosh.
Did I not hit him in the face with my shotty?
Nope.
I thought you did, but I guess not.
Come on.
God.
Come on, let's go.
I heard you. I didn't know where you were.
Don't stand in front of the guy with an auto.
With me?
Yeah.
He's using an auto.
I heard you go by. I didn't know where you were. I was like, thought you were over there.
This guy in mid.
Guys, come.
Like a ninja. Like a ninja with 40 health.
Yo, come this way. Well, oh, B, you idiot.
I need to find out all your guys' YouTubes. Well, I know yours, but I don't know anybody else's.
I am planting the bomb.
Thor's is just his name.
Okay, that
Yeah.
works.
Hey, damages. Yeah, that's a pretty nice aimbot.
He's going through tunnel door right now. Now. Door.
That's not tunnel
think
door,
that's-
that's mid door. That's V door, not tunnel door.
Shut up, I know.
Scared the crap out of me, dude.
Get ready. It is going to explode. Terrorists win.
Thor, please don't. Please don't, dude. None of us want to hear your leaky gross razz, dude. We don't want to hear it. It's creepy, dude.
We're gone.
Move, my brothers. Move.
You want to see me,
Go ahead.
green screen?
Hey, all A, all A.
All day long, just rushing it. Come on, Green.
Go,
Got
go.
this.
Rage, Darkeyes, rage.
There's one guy right there. Push him, all four. Nice, come on, keep pushing. There's gonna be a guy. Okay, I guess not.
I got found.
Good shot, Musa.
One coming long.
Planet purple. One coming long.
I am planting the bomb.
There's one in CT.
Bomb has been planted.
One coming through CT, I think. Nice.
Terrorists win.
Ooh, that headshot, and I just wrecked him.
You guys took my kill.
Sorry.
Hit long again. I'll flash.
Hey,
Right.
We will make them cry.
green. Guess what I just... And
What?
I'm not using.
Oh,
Le Zeus.
Throwing a flashbang.
oh god. I hear why they're gonna get pregnant off of it.
You are gonna have more guys, some guys.
I mean, they're gonna get pregnant off of this gameplay. I love body launches, they're such the best.
I'm sitting long door.
Terrorists win.
Yeah.
No!
Have bomb. I wanted a USB.
See green?
What type of early gun did you just throw at me? You gonna die?
No, don't kill him.
Look next to
Oh
your
god.
knife.
You know what, dude? I'm gonna get a kill with it. I'm actually gonna get a kill with it.
What is
Watch
it, Zeus?
It's a Zeus.
Yes,
Throwing a flashbang.
Lol.
dude, I uploaded one video of me. Yo, let me get this. What?
I told you.
My remote is kind of sticking.
I Zeus the
Or not my
Emperor.
remote, my mouse.
Ooh, I did it, guys. Now, mom, will you?
Planting.
Well, dude, It's a nice aimbot he has, though.
It
I
really
know.
is.
Tell me about it.
It's really is remarkable.
Is the
Everybody
aimbot
just
though?
buy nade. Alright, I got a plan, guys. Everybody buy nades, molotovs, and anything lethal along.
Yeah.
Well, actually, buy nades, molotov smokes, and flashes in that order.
Yeah.
And then just chunk them all at them while they're NCT.
Yep.
It's gonna work great.
Okay.
Dude, I really wish you could like. Did he?
Yeah, sure, go.
He just tried to Zeus his teammate.
I don't think he's actually. He's not actually. He's not even playing.
They're trolling. No time.
Oh. Wow, that was fun. Oh.
That's Meg 7 they got.
We're demolishing a hacker.
I can't wait to tell my grandkids.
Can't wait to show YouTube.
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Yeah, this is.
Forget your YouTube, this is going on mine.
It's going on all of ours.
Flashback.
You guys have YouTube?
Believe it or not, I actually have a YouTube
Yeah.
as well.
Throwing a flashback.
Oh. 4.
But I don't put anything on it anymore.
Never mind.
Go! Blue, sucking a dick.
I'm throwing all your guys' channels in my description though.
Ow.
I am blending.
You don't know how to do that?
Bomb has been planted. Flashback.
Yo, who's shooting me from the side? Back.
I'm throwing a flashback.
Bad.
Throwing fire.
Really?
Somebody guard CT. We both can't do cat.
Nice game.
That hurt.
That was a great game, guys.
GG.
And I'm gonna be uploading it tomorrow on YouTube, so if you guys want to watch it,
I'm uploading it tonight.
you guys should go subscribe the way y'all can watch
Screw
it.
you, Flurpy.
It is going to explode.
All attacking is on YouTube.
Oh, I got a case. Before we go, should I sell my Cayman and open up this case I just got?
I invited him.
No, shut up, dude. I already invited him. Don't you even dare. Poop on your face.
See you guys.